Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install software on the new Linux Mint 21. We're going to use a system called Flathub. Super easy, click no terminal. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another desktop. Today we got to install Kdenlive. So let's go ahead and go to our Alternative 2 website and let's do this. Adobe Premiere. Let's just try that one. And we're going to choose Premiere Pro, Alternatives, Kdenlive. So that is where we are going to go to. We're going to get Kdenlive so we can get some videos up. Now, I apologize, my screen, I have this ultra-wide monitor and I haven't quite figured out yet how to capture the screen for screen recording and such. So bear with me and learn along with me as I do this. Or if you know how to do ultra-wide captures, I just got to play with these windows a little bit to get them going. So let's go ahead and get to Kdenlive. We go here, we go to download, and we're going to see what it says. So we can download a Flatpak, an image. Let's do the Flatpak because we know that we've done that. We've done that with GIMP. Let's go here to Flatpak, and we'll do install, which will download our Flatpak. We can save that, and then we'll go back in here. Oh, let's see, we're in our downloads. Right here it is, Kdenlive. So let's double click that if it's finished downloading. I guess I should have checked that. It looks like it is. Now let me get my software center over here, because what that does is that opens that Flatpak up in the software manager, and we're going to just click install, and it's going to tell us we're going to need these options with it. So we're going to continue, and we're going to let that install. Yeah, this is my first ultra-wide monitor, which I absolutely love. Just not sure how to record screens on it yet and all that good stuff. So like I said, bear with me. I hope you can see this okay. But we've got to get some videos out. So this is our first time installing Kdenlive on this Linux Mint machine that we have built. We got a series going here if you want to see it. I'll have a playlist link below, or playlist at the end. You can click on the end screen also to watch these videos. Come learn along with me as we switch from Mac to Linux and just get everything set up like we have on our Mac and Linux, and go down that free software route. Get rid of that cloud subscription where they try to bleed you of all your money. Sorry for the old man moment. Okay, we're still installing, and we're going to let this run for a bit. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. You could probably hear all the yard tools outside from all the neighbors, but it is a beautiful Saturday morning. Went on a trail run. It was awesome. Okay guys, our install status bar is just about to the end. It is in the end, so now we can go ahead and launch there. But I like to hit my super key or Windows key. I know you're probably not going to be able to see the whole thing, but I'm going to type Kdenlive, and there it is. So let's go ahead and launch this, and we're going to give this a second. Oh, that's going to be tough for you guys to see because that beauty is all over my monitor. This looks amazing. I'm sorry you can't see the whole thing. You can only see pieces of it. But anyway, that is how we get that installed. Again, we just used a Flatpak. I like this Flatpak stuff. Again, if you go to the Flathead website, you want to check your version. Make sure you're on a newer version. If you go directly to the website of the software you want, you're going to probably get a very recent version that you're going to enjoy. This one is October 13, 2022, so very recent, since today is the actual 22nd of October. So just a few weeks old. GPL license, all that. There's our Flatpak. We can run it from the terminal right here if we want. If we don't want to use our software manager, just run Flatpak. And it is installed, guys. So we're going to throw some videos together, probably this one, and go from there. Hey, this is all we have for today. Thanks for watching. Again, follow along with us. This is going to be a huge playlist. We're going to do all these tricks and tips and all this that we learn along the way. and switch completely from Mac to Linux. So hey, thanks for watching. Like, share, all that good stuff with you guys. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time. Guys, that's all we have for today. Doing this Linux to Mac, or I'm sorry, Mac to Linux switch. Going through a series on this, so stay tuned, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, share. Just want to get the word out about this one if you can. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time.